Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a pie chart in Excel. So let's get into the video. At first, open an Excel sheet and select the data you want to have pie chart for. I'm selecting it, and here you can see from the insert option there is an option of recommended chart. You can add pie chart from here, or you can see there is a little ribbon which says insert pie or donut chart. You can click on here too and create 2D pie, 3D pie, donut pie from here. Let's click on recommended charts, and here you can see there is an option of all charts. Go to it, and here you can see the pie option. So there are some options of donuts, 3D pie, 2D pie, pie of pie. They are as same as this one, as this option. So just simply click on one, and here you can see the data is inserted. So what we will do is just simply click on the pie, and from the plus icon you can add data labels. And if you don't want data labels, you can simply click on it. I want them, so I will keep them here, and you can remove the legend from here, or you can keep them here as you want to. And you can add some chart title or remove them. You can edit your chart title from here. You can name it whatever you want to. So this is how you can add a pie chart in your Excel sheet. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye for today.